What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is the first video, I think, that isn't sitting on the motorcycle. So, this is really the first time you really effectively got to see my face, I guess. Doesn't really matter, but anyways, here's my my victory here. I got it in the garage. We're going to be installing the Linby Customs Multibar, which is a pretty cool little product. It's just highway bars, except they got this foot peg on here. So I kind of just got this set on my trash can, but we're going to be installing these. Really, this is mostly going to be a time lapse because I suck at recording. So let's get to it. All right. So actually a package just got delivered. If you guys have a Victory motorcycle and you've ever looked for parts online, I'm gonna have to blur my address or something. But this, I'll just turn it around. This package is from Victory only. The website. And I'm going to open that later because I'm doing this right now. Replacing it with bolt on the front peg, on the front of the pegs, the longer one. Use that washer. that's it. That took a little longer than I thought. Had some trouble with some bolts that were already in the front pegs here. You had to take some out, put some longer ones in. And yeah, those were pretty stuck. So anyways, let's turn it around. Oh yeah. I think that's gonna be pretty cool. Look at that. Anyways, I gotta go. I'm gonna be late to work. See ya.